Hi guys, so today nami assignment which is mag-draw daw o caricature. However, I don't know really how to draw. Maybe kabalo ko pero it will take a lot of time. So at the moment, my plan is just to trace pictures para nasa murag magkakagdagan na picture and then i-trace na ko siya. I hope this works. So let's go! Let's go. Let's go. So this is my drawing. I just ako lang di dugtong-dugtong ang mga pictures. This one. So this kanina picture is tambo kay siya. So akong gipaniwang. Maybe I should change yung face. Okay na niya. And mag-add na lang kag murag line dere.